Hello viewers, this tool empowers you to bring your ideas to life with just a few simple clicks. Don't hesitate any longer, start exploring the limitless possibilities and let your imagination soar today. I really do work hard for you guys to provide the best AI tools through my tutorial videos. Don't you think I deserve a like or comment my video? Well, let's go to Runway ML Gen 2 website. From this, you can create videos with your text. You can find the link in the description. Click on Try Runway for free. Create an account here or sign up with Google. Click on Try for free. Initially, it provides 125 credits free to use. Scroll down a little. Click on Gen 2 Text to Video. Simply type your prompt here. I type volcano eruption. Click Generate. Wait few seconds. Initial 125 credits is equal to 125 seconds. That means you can generate 125 seconds of videos. But on free account, it only generates 4-second videos. So you can generate more videos with 4 seconds. This is the result that has been generated. Let's try another prompt. Aerial view of beach. Wait a little. On my YouTube channel, you can find more tutorial videos of various AI tools. You can go and watch it. This is what we've got. Let's try your own prompt with this tool. Also type more prompts in the comments. Also share this video. Thanks for watching.